Meaning of endorse.
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 Endorse. The word endorse refers to an expression of support or approval for a person, product, or idea. It implies that the endorser believes in the quality, value, or credibility of what they are endorsing. Endorsements can take many forms, such as written or spoken statements, sponsorships, or public appearances. The result of an endorsement is generally a boost in recognition, reputation, and sales for the endorsed entity. It is often sought after as a powerful marketing tool, especially when the endorser has a large following or is highly respected in their field.